Okay, so I got a new set of work wheels for the Z. It's kind of laid out, but I've been waiting a while to make this. I just haven't had a whole lot of time. So I finally went and got the tires mounted on the wheels. They came with some really ratted out 275s, which did not fit. So I had to get some slightly stretched tires for them, but they're 18.9.5, so they're pretty big for what this car can handle. I mean, they got some relatively high offset, I guess. Well, not really. They're plus 20s, but oh well. Anyways, hope you guys like them.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets